Hello everyone. Whoa, that's loud. Why is it always so damn loud? Is that alright? How's that sound? Welcome Lion Does Things and Johnny to the stream, and thanks for the follow, Lion. Do appreciate it. Sounds good, alright, that's fine. Sounds good to me. Alright, that's fair. Thanks for the follow anyway. You can watch the VOD when it goes up later, if you want. But yeah, if it wasn't obvious from the title, today we are doing some Discord.py, looking at the 2.0 for the first time, seeing what's changed, if anything's actually changed at all. If it also wasn't obvious, I am slightly ill at the moment because naturally I managed to catch a bug from somewhere in the middle of a pandemic. So I probably don't sound amazing, and I'm not going to have my webcam on today because honestly, it's just the last thing I want when I'm ill. People being witness to it. So I do need to check something before I put the stream on. Oh my goodness, there's going to be a lot of checking. Because we're going to be using the tutorial bot, but I want to make sure it doesn't have admin. I want to make sure it only appears in like the places I want it to appear. Oh, where the hell is it? Okay. So it's not there, so it should be fine where it is. So people could use it in the bot usage channels, I guess. Or we can make a server, I don't know which would be better. Welcome Cider to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Right, now that's out of the way, we can... Right, what do I want on what monitors? So that can go... No, that needs to... That can go that side. The Discords can be minimized for now. Don't need it. And I think the rest is fine. So what we will do is we will show the screen. Hey! So, yeah, as you can see, no webcam today. Also, I've turned some of the rewards off. So I've turned the show fox and the wave off because no webcam. And I've also turned the hydrate off because being forced to drink like stupid amounts of water while you're ill is probably a really bad idea. I need to be able to drink what I want. So, but, whoa, hello. Thank you, Spirio Blue XD, for the follow. Hope you're doing okay. It's nice to hear that Streamlabs is still firing alerts twice every single time it does one, so that's awesome. We need to load up Firefox because... oh yeah, Firefox is over here. We've just got the stream open at the moment. So you can probably close that for now, actually. Minimize that. So if you go to the source... If we go to the docs, we can see that the docs are... Where's the version number in the new docs? I actually don't know. Somewhere around here. It normally says, doesn't it? It used to, anyway. Wait, what if I go into like a subsection? It's going to... Oh, I can't say. The API reference. I should have it. Does it really not have it? It definitely... Where is it? Oh no, it was in the... It's in the setup.py, I think, wasn't it? Oh no, it wasn't. The setup.py, I think this had like the version requirement thing. Or maybe not, maybe they got rid of that. But it'd be in the Discords and then the inits. There we go. 2.0.0a. Welcome, the Real Joy... Oh yeah, the Real Joyful Asteroid Street. I misread that last time because your name appears grey on my screen for some reason. But I rewatched part of the VOD and I realised it was quite clearly the Real Joyful Asteroid. So sorry about mispronouncing it last time. But yeah, as you can see, 2.0.0a. So it is actually the 2.0 alpha. As you can see down here as well. So we're going to see what has actually changed. That's fair. Welcome Doge to stream, by the way. Also, warning to both of you, I've said this to the others, but I am slightly ill at the moment, so not going to sound as energetic, and also no webcam, and no webcam-based rewards, and I need to be able to drink in my own time, so no hydrate either. So sorry about that, but I'm well enough to actually stream, so that's something at least. Naming the version as Minecraft docs. What do you mean? They're naming the version as Minecraft docs. Yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the bot to start. So we're gonna do CD data. I really need to set up like a quick nav shortcut for this, but programs GitHub. Actually, I could do that now. Why not? Quick nav add. I don't know, Twitch bot. Data slash. I believe I downloaded the version with the directory fix. I haven't got the one with the autocomplete yet though. Programs to be GitHub, Carberra, tutorials, Twitch bot. No, I want tutorials, Twitch bot. There we go. So we're in nav T-bot. Hey, and it actually works first time. How amazing is that? Yeah, that's the one that Doge made. Also, I'm going to put my phone on silent, I just remembered. So we don't get annoyed by that. Then we're going to do, what is it, Python? Oh, I need to do actually a VA, don't I? Python -m, oh no. Carberra. There we go. So that's the bot. As you can that's not good. What in the world? 3.8. What the hell happened there? Can someone test the command real quick just to see if it works? So I think something might have broken. I know the something in the database went weird. Okay, I hope it works. Satisfy my laziness. Yeah, exactly. I did. Did I pull that in? I actually don't remember. I think I did. There's a chance that update broke something because I changed something as well and I probably broke it, but I guess we'll see. Yeah, there should be like a million extra things for like the plan docs and whatever. So if we go here, go CD, we go, and we're gonna go to the playground, and then make dir dpi2, and we're just gonna call it that. So dpi2, and then we're gonna do Python 3-mvenv.venv. Oh no, Python 3.9 -mvenv.venv. With this new version of discord.py, you actually need Python 3.8 or higher. I'm not sure if there's a specific subversion of 3.8. I don't remember, but I think it might be 3.8.3. But I don't know. I think there was some sort of async change around that time. So then we go into VA, and then we do git clone https github.com/raps. Oh, why am I going back? /discord.py. Oh my god! Did you see all that? Jesus. So we have that there, and then we should be able to do pip install -u discord.py from there. Just .py dot maybe. Neither certified nor. Oh yeah, that's a point. Oh yeah, because I've got a cd to discord.py and then pip install -u dot. And then what have we got? We've got, there we go, discord.py 2.0. Actually, it's easier if I do a pip show discord.py. Oh no, pip show discord.py. There we go. Yeah, discord.py 2.0.0 A3112 and then the git hash. I don't actually know what this 3112 is. Let me have a look, because it has in it has like the specification for pre-builds. Or for alpha versions. No, it's not in there, it's in the setup. I'm a dummy. Version ends with a, okay, so it's the version. I don't know what that first bit is actually. Plus G. Out of the code UTF-8. Oh, so it's something. Communicate. I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. Yeah, only I can shout people out. That's for like if someone raids a well. Or if I want to shout someone out, I just give them the link. I'll show you what it does real quick. So if I do, it doesn't check if it's a valid channel. God damn it. Johnny JTH1. There we go. So now output your link, and I'm pretty sure that's a username anyway. Yeah, I was just showing it there. Welcome. Oh, it's Spirit Blow XD. Thanks for the follow earlier, by the way, and welcome to the stream. So yeah, this is this, right? Can we? I don't know if there is like anything about. See, it still says 353 is required. That's actually wrong. So I don't think the docs have been fully updated, even though the docs are on the main version. So it would be. I think the docs should help us because the docs on new stuff it would be updated, and on changed stuff it would be updated as well. So I guess we'll see how much has actually been changed. I mean, by the looks of this first thing, not an awful lot. I suppose we'll have to see. Easy shout out. That's Discord. I don't want that right now. But yeah, let's go to code dot and do stuff. I think it's actually. Oh no, it just requires our HTTP now. Oh, I'm in the wrong directory. God damn it. And then code dot. There we go. So now in our venv, if we go to lib, we should. There we go. We should have Discord and stuff. So we can start getting on with it. So if we have. I don't know, we'll call it tutorial, seeing as the actual bot is called tutorial. Even though this isn't really a tutorial, it just makes the most sense to do it like that. Where is I need I need Carberra. Show me how to do the thing. Oh, thank you, Jax, for subscribing for 3 months in a row at tier 1. Do appreciate it. We're not going to bother with all of this stuff for now. I might put what I do in this stream on the GitHub later, just so people can play around with it. But yeah, right. Ugly working commit 10 months ago just hasn't been fixed yet. That's how you do it. So in here we need an init.py, and then I don't know whether I have a main or just use a launcher. I feel like just doing a launcher would probably be better for quote unquote tutorial sake. Then we just copy what's in the main in here, I suppose. So from tutorial. Oh, I need to scale the thing up. Import version. And then, even though we haven't done it yet, and then from tutorial.bot import bot, and then if name equals main, and bot equals bots, and then we pass the version. Oh, do we even need to do it? I don't know, Carberra does, so I suppose we do. And then, actually, I'm pretty sure Carberra doesn't even need to do that. So we're not going to do that here. And then bot.run. And that'll run the bot, and then we'll see if that actually works, I suppose. And then we don't need to do any of that. Actually, we're probably better off using the modmail one, because the modmail one is a more up-to-date boilerplate, because it was constructed a lot later down the line. So the init, yeah, now looks a lot different. So from.com, oh, am I even going to bother with this config in the series? I don't know. From .bot import bot. whoops. Oops, and then equals, I don't know, 2.0.0, just to confuse everyone. Why the hell no? We'll do it the same as the Discord.py version. And then, are we going to want this config? No, we're not going to want that, are we? Yeah, okay. We're actually going to... We're not going to bother using the config because it's just going to be too complicated. Welcome, Book, to the stream. Am I feeling cute today? I'm feeling ill today. You could tell. It's not too bad, thankfully. I'm still well enough to stream. But that's why there's no webcam. That's why I don't sound as energetic. And that's why some of the channel point rewards have been turned off. But yeah. So what does this mean actually? Okay, so that means the same. And then we have the config that we don't care about. And then, okay, now we go into the bot. Well, yeah. Bots, and then extensions. We are going to use the extensions terminology in the tutorial. So we're going to do it here as well. Because really, like, the extensions are what they are. Like, the files themselves aren't the cogs. It's the objects you create in the extensions that are the cogs. So that's like an important thing to note. It's going to be interesting to see, like, if I do like a setup like this, how many people are going to be like, I don't know what to do. I guess we'll come to that when we come to it, I suppose. So get rid of that. We don't need that. So from path lib, import path, and then import discords. From AP scheduler. Oh yeah, we need to import that, don't we? Dot schedulers. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install it now. Wow, the terminal's enormous. Jesus. Why are you so big? So now it should be able to give me autocompletes. Yep. Dot asyncio imports async IO scheduler. From discord.ext import commands, from pits, or from pytz I suppose, import UTC. I don't know if you can use the zone info one for what I'm going to do with it, but you know. This is the alpha. So if we go back to, if I just import discords. Discord.version. The version is 2.0.0a, so it's not done, but it's usable, and we're going to see how much has changed right now, and well, if anything's really changed. I don't know how much has changed. I only realised that it was that the alpha was even on the GitHub not too long ago. I think it was about an hour before I started the Django stream last week. So that's the thing. Whoops. So bot commands .bot. That apparently still is a thing that works. So we're going to want our slots equals extensions. Am I going to do slots in the tutorial? I have no idea. We're just going to see, I suppose. We're going to do def init self. I might not. That's just overcomplicating it, and we're probably not going to do that many type hints either. Maybe we should. I know it might make more sense if everything's type hinted rather than some things are type hinted. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. Self.extensions equals, and we're just gonna copy this. So p stand for p. Oh, we need to actually change this because it's not. It'd be tutorial now. This is the plan for the tutorials. It's well, it's useful. Okay, I just don't know how overcomplicated it's going to be because I'm trying to think of beginners, but I suppose none of this is about beginners. This is just testing it out at the moment, but I suppose it is like partially, thingamabob the planning. That's the one. Also, welcome Hellish to the stream. Oh, you're doing okay? Was there someone else? Doja's just also in red. So that should all work the same, theoretically. So now we have, the setup. That would be tutorial. And then we have the run. Which is just the same. Oh, the token. Oh, yeah, that's a point. Gonna need that, aren't we? So that went in the config before. Oh, but that went in. That went in the Docker. That went in the Docker compose. We're not using that, so we've got to think of some other way. I guess secrets. That works. And a new file token. And then grab the token real quick. While we're doing that, I'm going to put the stream intro up, just so I don't expose the token. You know how it is. I don't want to expose the token on stream, especially when it's damn well making me sign in. God, it's been such a long time. That's true. But if we get a load of people in the server asking me what slots are, I'm going to blame it on you. This is kind of the the compromise. Making that's the condition. I use slots so long as I can blame it on you. So what are you doing? Come on. No, of course I don't want to expose the token. Let's go move this over here just in case. So it'd be, which bot is it? God, that one. The bot, the token, copy, we'll put it in there. We'll doubly make sure. Hide that. So close that, save that. That's all I did save, whatever. And now the stream can go back. And now the token is there, and no one's lost it. For Py.env, no, I'm not going to bother with that. That's just way too complicated for a tutorial setting. Welcome Orange Beetle to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So we need AO files, don't we? Gosh darn it. Pip install AO files. We also actually need AO SQLite, don't we? AO SQLite. Oh, I didn't spell that right at all. Even slightly. There we go. Cool. We're going to need that for database later, but we might not use database this stream. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do this stream. I was kind of planning to leave it up to you lot to determine what to do. So we need import AO files. Sort those. Async with AO files to open. I could just do we could just overwrite the whatever. It's fine. We could just overwrite the open. That or no, we might change that later, but we'll see. I suppose. So it'd be / because it's running from the launch here. It'd be / secrets / token. Mode equals R, encoding equals UTF-8 as F. Oh, hello. Thank you to Goggle X Head for the follow. Do appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying the stream. Well, I suppose you are. I don't know why I always say, oh, I hope you enjoy the stream after they followed, because clearly they're enjoying it to some degree. But thanks for that. Yeah, that Orange, that is what this stream is here to find out. To see just how many changes there actually are. There's a lot of hugs going around. So token, I'll just do token equals f.read, and then we don't need to store the token, so we'll just pass in token there. And then if we do like an onReady kind of thing. So where is it? I need to go back into the mod mail, please. Also, just seeing on the mod mail. Zesty, fixing issues 2 and 3. The only other contributor to Mod Mail so far. I suppose there's not really a lot to do with Mod Mail, is there? Oh no, you don't actually need a decorator font ready, do you? Here's me forgetting how this how Discord.py works entirely. Oops, it is. So if we just print I'm ready using Discord.py 2.0.0. Just do that for now. And then we're going to need some way to close it. Actually, I think it'd be fine in and of itself. Yeah, if we don't start the scheduler and don't start all that, we'll be fine. So Python -m, no, Python launcher.py. Syntax error. Async used. Oh, that's a problem. Well, I guess we're not using our files for that. Because this is an async. Get out of here. The library sucks anyway. It's the best of its kind, but it's genuinely not very well built. So whatever. Zesty on the stream. I don't know. Don't really know. Yeah. He might have just come off school. Well, it's Saturday. Where is he? Yeah. He has no excuse not to be here. Let's do Python launcher.py. Oh, why? The bot isn't defined. That is a very good point. No, it shouldn't. It should be defined. From bot equal. You what? Oh. Yeah, that'll probably explain it. Sort the imports on that. I'm pretty sure they also, yeah. And then we've got, yeah, from. That is that. Oh, let's do so we could probably do from tutorial import bot like that. Yeah, there we go. Running setup, running bot. I'm ready. Oh, it worked. Look at that. Right, where is it? It'll be down here somewhere. There we go. It's online. We actually have a bot running using Discord.py too. So the actual boilerplate code hasn't really been altered. Oh, that's a lot quicker to exit actually. Maybe that's some of the technical debt coming in, or the fixing thereof anyway. So I guess we just run some extra stuff. There's some extra stuff in. So we need an async def close in here, and then we're just gonna call the super close for now. We'll come back to that later once we've done more stuff in the onReady. Then we need this, which we're just gonna do that. I might use logging in this series. I probably will, but for now we're just gonna do standard print statements. And then we have the on. Oh, so there's actually not much left. The on message and the process commands at the bottom here. Async def on message self message and it's a Discord message. And then we have process commands. Whoa! You're too smart. Unfortunately, that's not what we actually want to do. You're too damn smart. Actually, is that what we want to do? I think. Well, it's not what we want to do at the moment, I guess. No, it's not what we want to do right now. We want some implementation of it. That's tab 9 for you. Return value definitions now. It's had them since 3.0. I think it's genuinely had them since the roll. I think it's had them for 13 years. Thank you, Dop Sliden1 for the stream. I probably butchered that. I do apologise. Thank you. Yeah, I think it might just be. Wait, what did he actually put in the announcement? Because he said a lot about technical debt, which is the big reason for doing it in the first place. But I'm starting to think there's not much else different. Well, it's all the way down there. Yeah, it's in my inactive service because I just don't go in there at all. be in updates, wouldn't it? There we go. No, that's 1.7, 1.6, 1.5. There we go. Didn't he say something about 2.0? I don't remember. Yeah, well, Python technically is a real programming language because it does exist. But yeah, I don't know if Python 4, like, I know they're trying to speed up Python, so I don't know if Python 4 is going to go like the static route or whatever, or maybe some like import. Yeah, it's Japanese chats all down there. Does it say there was? Where was this update about 2.0? Was that even here? People know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, let me have a look at the pipeline real quick. Because it will probably be in there somewhere. 0.7. 1.7 again. Is it just like not there anymore? Am I being blind? Like, I don't understand. There was definitely some announcement saying what was going to change in 2.0. Where is it? Was it deleted? Oh, weird. Discord search. That's probably true, actually. So just search anything for 2.0. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's someone... Has my stream caused that? Oh, no. I'm annoying them already. I really hope that person doesn't come from my stream, otherwise I'm going to be in a lot of trouble. Let's see, is there... I should probably check, like, within... Filter to announcements, yeah. There's a lot of stuff going just going to be fixed in 2.0. So is there an announcements channel even in here? Oh, come on, there we go. I cannot type today. Why? There is an announcements channel, so yeah, I guess updates. We'll see. Oh yeah, remember when Danny said that the same for 1.5? Yeah, okay. Yeah, remove a lot of the technical debt in the repository. So I said that, but there was like a whole announcement about it. Now be pushed to master more often due to 2.0 development. Why not just make a new branch? Like, that's what everyone does. No, it's just not there. Where in the name... Alright, whatever. It definitely happened, I just can't bloody find it. Which is annoying. Maybe... Apparently not, but I don't know where else it would be. Where else would you put it? What, the Komodos? And they're displaying for me. I don't know what's going on your end. Danny DeVito. No, Danny DeVito far. Actually, there is some logic. Because Danny DeVito is a trash man. And Danny Discord runs a trash library. Sorry, I had to do it. Welcome, John, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. This one isn't really the best for... process commands, is it? Because the mod mail doesn't have any commands. Let me go back to Carberra to work that out. I'm just using Carberra as a base because all the crap that was broken in the tutorial was fixed in Carberra, so I'm just using that. Yeah, apparently not a lot is actually going to change in 2.0, which is kind of irritating, but at least gives me an excuse to update the old series, because the old series is really rather outdated and a bit bad now. So does this got in before? Oh no, it's all the way up here. Okay. So we create our context, self.get context, message, CLS equals, oops, commands.context. I might try and experiment with a custom context, but every time I go and think of something, I was like, oh, that's a use for a custom context. It's already there. Like ctx.prefix. Who else knew that was a thing? Who else spent... I only found out ctx.prefix was a thing like last month. I'm not even kidding. I was so angry when I found that out, because I was thinking, oh, okay, I'm going to put it in the context myself, and then it's just already there. So, a 5 in a name. It's just basically it's for linters to go, oh, so that's the return type. So it's sort of like in any other language you are forced to specify the return type of a function, more probably at the start. Python you do it at the end using this arrow, but it's optional. So yeah, it's just type hinting for linters and stuff. But seeing as Discord.py like partially relies on type hints for converters, I'm probably just going to do like a fully type hinted thing, just to. I think it'd be like just less confusing overall. But yeah, so if no command and return, are we going to do a ready system? I feel like I shouldn't do that this time, because that just confused so many people. So I think I'm just going to completely boycott that. Maybe make that like an extra, but not something that's like essential for the series. Oh, that was a really bad idea. Actually, the rest of it's just self.invoke. So is there even a need for a custom process command? I don't know. I guess I can put it there just in case people do find a need for it, because every single bot of mine has had a need for it at some point. But yeah, and then the on message. So the on message. This one is this one's quite simple. So if not message.author.bot. Okay, so we want to actually do this. Or is instance message.channel discord.dm channel. I know you could do if not message.guild, but I still prefer this. I still prefer this implementation of it. And it's await, isn't it? Yeah, await self.process commands message. Oh, I didn't put a dot there. Invoke hug. We could do a hug command. So I think this is pretty much the boilerplate mostly done. Oh, we actually need to start the scheduler, don't we? We actually do need to go back and complete the onReady. Wherever that is in Carberra. What is this order? The order of the way things are done. Actually, we are going to do like a booted flag, I think. We are going to do like a single flag for it. Just to make sure that the onReady only fires once. Because, yeah, it's broken. I mean, they say to not put stuff in the onReady, but, I mean, you could just do like a boolean, it's fine. Like, I don't really know what else they suggest, so ctx.valid. Oh, what does that do? So welcome Farquad to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So we do just self.ready equals false. And then, yeah. And then in the onReady... When the onReady is done, we could say self.ready equals true, and then we could do like if not self.ready return, and then that's just a boolean. That's not that weird object anymore. Yes, I am bullying everyone. I am bullying Jackster by saying he is cute. Live in public spaces to 14 people. Some of which probably don't even know who Jackster is or what that even means. But it's fun bullying though. Yeah, I'm just bullying him with facts. As in like facts, not like sending emails or something through facts. Self.scheduler.start. I'm getting massively sidetracked. And we want self.guilds. I guess we want to keep. Oh, do we want. Alright. Do we want the new series to be multi-server compatible or not? Because obviously a lot of people do, but then if it's multi-server compatible, like if it's single server, then the chance of people being able to just rip the repository and just use it without modifying it are basically nil, because no one wants single server bots. They all want multi-server. And I'm going to make it single server. I really don't want like people to just rip the thing down and put it on Discord bots and say, hey, it's my bot. Pay me. Yeah, it would be easier to help people, but it would it also cause problems, I think. We'll leave it single server for now, I think. Equals self.guild or self.getGuild. And then, right, okay. Do we want to do testing of this in the Carberra, the Carberra server, or do we want to make a new server for it? Because I was considering making a new server for it. One for the series, because I think it'd just be easier to do in the series, because I could just screw around with it. I could destroy anything I want. And I think it'd be good for people to test as well if there was like a separate server, because they could just like pop in and go like bam and just wreck anything. And not like have to fear any sort of like repercussions. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that right now. Add a server. Create my Why is this light theme? For me and my friend, that'd be for community. Tutorial bot server. And then what we'll do is we'll go into here. Oh, hello. The data, it'd be Carberra branding, it'd be repository, bots, and then just hope this doesn't confuse anyone in the development server. Oh, that's gonna get confusing, isn't it? I don't know, I might make another one for that. But hidden user copy point. But yeah, go nuts. Cyberbully. So just the floods of people. There we go. Jackster won the race. And there was Farquaad that came second. So now you're just bullying me. That's what's happening here. We also need to get the bot in here actually. Right, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to kick it from this server. And we're going to put it in the other one. So we need to do... I need to go into the Discord apps again, don't I? My apps. Tutorial. Bots. You want to be bot and then I guess admin for now. We can change it later. But we'll just leave it admin for the time being, I think. What I might do potentially is just oh yeah, I need to change notification settings. That is a very real that's a very good point. No, where even is that? There it is. Oh yeah, it mentions, there you go. I don't know why they don't have that by default. It's so stupid to not have that as a default. Why am I putting the link in there? Yeah, I mean, I just made it on stream. Oh my word, what happened there? So, what is it called? Tutorial bot server. So, like, way down there. Continue. Administrator, yes. Oh god. I might make that slightly different then. This is awful. I might. The thing is, Max is the one that did the icons because he's the one with Adobe Illustrator, so I might have to get onto him about that. I might do for now is I might. Actually, I'll tell you what I can do for the time being. Because we have like a number of different things here. So I have a number of different icons we can use. Come on, there you go. So logo, not logos, it'd be profiles. Why? Profile, we can use the Alt one. That way it is actually like somewhat different. So you can now tell the difference between the three, and I'll do that with the bot as well. And then there will be no confusion. Well, there'll probably be some, but there'll be less. Which works. Well, the actual like all the branding has like the colours in the background. So that's actually changed automatically. That works. Cool. Right. So is all the boilerplate? I'm presuming all the boilerplate is now kind of done. Oh no, we still need to do this. Okay, this is the whole reason I created the guild now. Because we can actually do main. I'll do like everything like in constants, I suppose. Because that's generally good practice, really. So yeah, we'll do that. Actually, we'll do that first, I think. And then actually the scheduler started before, so I suppose no, we will actually do the guild first. Otherwise, that could end up with problems. So scheduler started, and then we'll do our len job scheduled. Even though that is kind of semi-useless, because I think in Solaris most of the scheduled jobs get added after this routine is done, so this line is basically useless, but whatever. We don't need anything to do with the database sync, and then, okay. What we can do is we have like a, we won't bother with the print up there. We'll just do that, and I think that will work fine. Oh wait, self.invoke is wrong, I think. It's ctx.invoke, I'm pretty sure. Or at least self.invoke ctx. Yeah, I think I could do either though, so I'm gonna do ctx.invoke. Even though Carberra has self.invoke, but not for this stream, no. I'm ill. So I'm well enough to stream, but I don't particularly want to be forced to drink a load of water right now. That's also why the webcam isn't on. Okay, so I think that is like all the boilerplate we need. It's just so confusing. Whatever, it's fine. That's the best I can do right now. So if you run that. Oh, we haven't done like a presence or anything, have we? Oh, we haven't done like a bot ready. And we also need to do the close actually. Oopsie daisies. So yeah, we need to do. Let's go back here. So we need to do print shutting down, and then we're not going to do that. We're going to do self.scheduler.shutdown. Do await self. Oh, we don't have a DB. Oh, we don't have any of that stuff. Okay, so that's fine as is. Okay. Heckin' gems, bro. I didn't say I didn't mind. I'd be a bit more reluctant to do it, I think. Isn't that just like normal? I can still call you cute. Okay, I think that's all the boilerplate done now. So if we run that. Oh, maybe not. Oh! I programmed it backwards. It's fine, it's fine. There we go. Okay. It depends what people want to do, because really, like, all the boilerplate is now done, or at least all this main boilerplate is done. So really, actually, we can actually test. Oh, that's. Oh, it needs a command. Really? Oh, let's just do self evoke CTX then. If the other way doesn't work. There we go. The default help is the same. Fantastic. Yeah, rip typing. How long we're going? Almost an hour. Damn. So yeah, that's the boilerplate done. So, what do people want to do? Wait, why is this importing like that? I guess that was just a remnant from was that a remnant from MobMail? I guess it was. Yeah. Actually, maybe, because it was the only thing I used Discord for, even. That's probably it. Oh wait, I need to send an on-ready message to a channel, don't I? Ah, that's something I need to do. So I need to do from tutorial import version. Oh, hello. And then I need to do something really equals true. Awaits self. Oh, we need to do like a send out channel ID equals, and then we need to make a new channel for that. Boop. Boop, boop. There you go. So we now have this new channel. I can't be asked to set permissions for it, so type in all you want. I really don't care. To be it'll be self dot standard out. Or just self dot be self dot guild dot get channel. I think this will work. And then await self dot standard out dot send tutorial v, and then we want version is online. I can on message event and listen to anyone say Jets is cute, Jets is cute. At what point wish the bond sends a DM to me with who said it and where? I mean, if you want to do that in Carberra, that would be pretty funny. Yeah, hopefully you won't go banning people for it. Well, that would be mod abuse. But if you want to genuinely make an issue on Carberra to do that, then we can make that happen. Okay, so now oh, that's still running. That's not what we wanted. Oh no. Oh, it's trying to it's trying to import something. Oh. Wait, how the hell did it work before then? Just from Carberra import config version utils. And then, oh, did I put it in the wrong place? No, it's in the right place. And then in it, oh, it doesn't import the bot. Yeah, but why does it import the bot? That doesn't make any sense. Or did I guess ModMail did that. I don't know. Weird. Either way, we actually need to go back in here and do from tutorial.bot import bot, and then actually we don't need this version anymore, do we? We can clean this right up. Clean this right up, can't I? There we go. It sent a message. We did the thing. Yeah, I added the intents. And it gives us the version number and everything. Oh, beautiful. It's beautiful. Right, we need to do the presence as well, actually. So await self dot. Oh god, self dot set change presence. There we go. Activity equals. Yeah, I was kind of hoping they would change some of this stuff, but maybe not. Well, they said it's not recommended that you download the development version because there are going to be breaking changes coming in. So maybe some of this will change. We'll have to keep coming back to this. Did you? You want to ill? Hopefully I'm not too ill. It's mainly just been like a runny nose and like a stuffy head. It's not been too bad, but it's been it's been enough to be like, you know, when you're even slightly ill, and you just want to die. It's like that. Swatching, I guess minus help, and then we can have we'll just have a pipe. I can't be asked to get a bullet point out. And then it'd be version. So this is like very much like the Carberra type of versions. All the way, yeah, the way that Carberra and the ModMail do their stuff. So print presence updated. Whoops. Ah. Oh. Didn't do it. Oh no, maybe it's just some. Oh, the bot disconnected. That's not good. Provide as quags in the bot constructor. Yeah, that's probably a good point, actually. I don't think I was aware you could even... Oh, activity type isn't set, that's probably why. Can you actually do that? Because the reason I've never done that before is because both Solaris and Carberra boot up on DND and then they change the presence once they're actually ready. But I guess that's not really necessary here. That's just more like some weird stuff that I do. So something like that. And then activity type, I guess it'd be here. I don't really know what you can pass into this. Oh no, it's type equals Discord. Oh god, can I just Discord dot activity type oh yeah dot oh no, watching, sure, that works because it's watching you always. It listens to the screams of the damned and watch you when you sleep. So that will, according to graphic, work. So we'll see. That's probably better for a tutorial setting. Well, it did the thing, technically. It has a status now, so I suppose that worked. GG. Actually didn't know what the thing you could do, so thanks for letting me know. I suppose we don't need the status then, do we? Command prefix, intents and activities is probably all we need. Always US Jack's message with cute. I could do, to be fair. I mean, we are just testing this thing out. This isn't really planning the series, so. So yeah, I guess now we start with the cogs, because I believe all the boilerplate is now done. So we start with the extensions. So, what do people want me to do first? What is Zesty not streaming today? Oh god. Why do you have to start with the hardest thing? Starting in 2 hours, so the stream ends in 2 hours. Can you like tell Zesty to get his ass in here? Alright, do we want to do the help stuff or this React thing first? Because we've got two suggestions. I might do the React thing first because it's just so much easier. Oops, that's not what I want to do. So we're re-adding the qt.py and import Discord, and I guess we'll do a help afterwards. You know, I don't want to, but whatever. So I don't know if the menus are going to be implemented into Discord too. Actually, that's probably a good thing to check. So I might actually leave it for now if not, because I don't know if they're there yet. Because they're probably not. They don't appear to be. I'd be surprised they don't make it in, even though the bloody thing is like terrible. But I was gonna try like tasks and stuff, wasn't I? Oh, I suppose task is like. Task really is terrible. I don't know, man. A lot of the stuff, like look at like nothing in the commands has changed like at all. This was changed 7 days ago. Oh, that's just changing the docs though. If you go to Discord, last month we got 2 months ago. Is he even like working at all? That's fair. So I suppose we're just making a bloody standard bot then. I suppose. Like not an awful lot has changed. Let's have a look at the commit history. So no, wait, when was it? Because I'm presuming the init. Wait, this was updated 2 months ago. So anything in the last 2 months. Wait, what is the hash for it? Because I'm gonna presume, unless like even April the 6th, April the 4th. Oh, yeah, bump version number to 1.7. Remove user bot function. That's interesting. Oh, he is getting rid of user bot stuff. So yeah, the self bot stuff is going. So at this point in time, is it version 2? It is. So at that point in time, it's version 2. Version bot for development. There we go. The 4th of April. So anything done after the 4th of April is 2.0 development. So how much has there been? It's actually been quite a bit. Well, it's actually been quite a lot, you know. You could do oh, you can't do a search in the history. Slash commands there. I don't know. It looks to be mainly patches, but I'll have a look at the history. See what's got. Yeah, there's been a lot of commits. Wowzers. Oh, that's gone. That's interesting. Don't apply anymore. Because he has been doing a lot of, I guess, just been doing a lot of background stuff. Just not a lot on the front end. So that kind of makes sense. It's been a while. Yeah, we're going like a long way down. Welcome Zesty to the stream. Yeah, I'm kind of ill, so don't really want it on. Oh, there we go. Where is it? There we go. Here. So any modernized code use F strings? Oh yes, this is my biggest problem with it. Oh, this is automatically going to be so much faster. Like dot format is one of the slowest string concatenation methods you can use, and F strings are the fastest. Jesus, it's like a very slight bug. I'm not gonna die. Wait, how many files actually changed to? Wow, he literally did just go. The first thing he did was go through and change. So he was obviously as anxious to do it as I was. Because I was like very tempted at one point to just go in and just change it all. Oh, this one hasn't changed. Like the mapped ones, they still use this method. Mind you, this method isn't that slow. I think F strings would still be slightly faster. Oh, this is a pretty, yeah. These are definitely faster string methods. Oh, he's got rid of the shebangs as well. Look, interesting. I suppose just saying it's UTF-8 really doesn't do anything. Yeah, the hydrate is gone because I kind of want to control when I drink when I'm ill. I don't want it to be forced on me. Because I feel as though that's just going to make things so much worse. So when I'm better again, hopefully by next week, because I've got like 2 exams in between, so hopefully I'm better by next week. But the hydrate and everything will be back. It's just when I'm ill. Yeah, this is like a lot of change. Wow. Okay, I'm glad. I'm glad that the F string's a bit. I love how that was the first thing. That was the thing I was most annoyed about. But yeah, only use positional commands. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, so this is what I was having before. This broke. Yeah, you actually need it now. I wonder if there was like something. Well, the first part, it must be the command being invoked. Yeah, why didn't you do that before then? Weird. Convert 2 missing places to F strings. Oh, we forgot to. There we go. There's remove user bot functionality. Using type.protocols to have ABC meta. That's interesting. Alright, it's in a bit Farquad. Yeah, we're just going to see like what has actually changed for a bit. Then I think I'm going to go to the toilet. I'll come back and we'll do some stuff. Pretty much in Discord to Pi 1 because not a lot of the front end has changed. But it seems like a decent amount of the back end has changed. Add support for setting application ID. It's kind of interesting. Where's this in the client.py? Oh, interesting. So you can actually set it? Oh, I don't understand why you would need to do that, but obviously there's some use for it. You can encode work with type checkers. Interesting. Remove unused group functionality. What's been removed? Start group and leave group. It looks like context manager type things. That's fair. Add embed.ball. Which says whether an embed has any data set. That's probably valid. That's probably quite useful. We're just looking through the changes. It's fine. On interaction event. Where's that? Did I fly past that? Oh, this one. This interactions dot. Oh, this is like a whole new library, I think. Oh, this is a whole new library. An interaction happens when a user doesn't actually need to be notified. Current examples are slash commands, but future examples include forms of buttons. Right. Okay. So this is like hella important for like yeah. Slash command implementation has at least begun. The forms and the button stuff is the thing I'm more excited about. Yeah, thanks for pointing out, Jax. I completely went through that. These are all just the docs. Huh, that's an interesting one. Okay. So I'm not sure if slash commands are in there at the moment, but the back-end implementations are. Asynchronous typings. Allow mentions typings. What's this? Okay, fair enough. And more F strings. Where did you miss these ones? Okay, it's just going through adding them. Yeah, it's the 2.0 alpha, so we're just kind of going through and seeing what's new at the moment, and then I guess we'll just keep going back to this every now and then and kind of update it. Remove user token warning on login. What's this about? I'll just get rid of that. Oh yeah, because it's no self-bot support anymore. Can be either string or int. Why? Oh, because it was only a string. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I guess it's just backwards compatibility stuff. That's probably going to be deprecated. 2.0. Oh, God. Why have you done this? Add missing future annotations import. Why do you need that? That's strange. I think we can check that somewhere. I think if we go into the Vev, the lib, I believe future is in here somewhere. Maybe not. I forget where you find it. Because there's like a, is it lib64 perhaps? No, where's... I forget where you find... I did find it once. I can't find it anymore. They will be in 1.0, which is kind of irritating. The rest of the bot was written in 1.0, so there's not a lot I can do. But it seems as though there's been like a lot of changes, and actually, what we can do is we can type it. I think this is how I got to it before. Got it. There we go. It's going to be a while before 2.0 comes out. It doesn't seem as though it's going to break too much. There you go. So annotations. There we go. 3.7, 3.10 alpha. Oh, really? Oh, is this... Oh, I see. It's for the new ones. Right, okay. It's for the new syntax. Okay, that makes more sense. God, in before the print function. Goodness. The print function didn't actually work without the future import, though, in 2.7. I don't know, maybe they added it in 2.7. But yeah, when I was working in bloody 2.7 for robotics, I had to get float division. I actually had to do from future import division because 2.2 they never added it in between there. Generate is 2.3. There we go. Yeah, interesting. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense now. Start date for the request is so the when does the series end for data analysis? The 11th of June, which is a Friday. So in theory, 21st of June, maybe the 14th. It depends. My diss is due on the 10th. So we'll have to see if I have enough time to record the request and get them edited for the 14th. If not, it'll be the 21st. Actually, I could probably just throw them around whenever because it's not the start of a series. But yeah. A type is for invites, templates, and bands. Typing import. Okay, fair enough. Wait, commands.gradient typing.generic. This is the YT stuff. What like the VODs that you do? Okay, whatever. Don't need those. Remove legacy extension not found original. Did I use that intense resolution? Where? I don't remember if I used that or not. Oh no, I didn't. It's fine. Oh, okay, first. Oh, hello. Fix wrapper for greedy. What was wrong with it? Was it just not there? Oh, it just wasn't there. Fair enough. First pass at supporting V8 API. Oh yeah, this is a thing. It's going to support the V8 one as well. Because the current one only supports the V7, even though the V9 is coming out real soon. Yeah, that's fair. I'm like late to VODs so often, honestly. But fix errors of cooldown mapping. Add support for Python 3.10 union typing. This is the one from before. Import types. What does it do? Is that new? I might have to look into that. Types.function type. How strange. I suppose that's something added. The gaming channel did? Yeah, probably. It got, but I haven't officially entirely killed it yet. But it's looking unlikely. Superfluous unused payload parameter from message. Oh, interesting. Okay. Remove user.permissions in? What? Oh, is it because it's I know, because this the top right, yeah. Why did they remove that? I actually have a bot somewhere that uses that. And this seemed to only cause confusion. Right, did I use that in the series? Because if I did, that's kind of bad. I suppose the 2's going to break it anyway. Well, I actually used that. Huh. Interesting. The only thing that's kind of important is add a support offer permissions for. Oh, so it has the roles. Ah, that's kind of cool. Also this, but not the standard one. Interesting. Fix references to guild ID. Oh, add stage channel to the docs. That's pretty interesting. Oh yeah, that's a strange error. Interesting. Nope. Remove support for guilds. Adds NSFW for guilds. What? What's this about? Oh, guilds going up as not safe for work now. Is that something? Is that something I can do here? Not currently. Maybe on a. Maybe it's. That's weird. It's not something I can do at the moment. So that's kind of strange. Okay, fair enough. Right, channel types. Add notes to member talks about Spotify invitation. And clean prefix attribute. What's this for? Oh, if the mention is oh, I see. It's not the bot itself. So it's use case. I'd rather go for this common use case rather than waste performance for the odds one. Yeah, that's probably fair. Guild.chunk. I don't know what that's going to be. No, I can move it to guilds. Oh, that's for sharding stuff. Rewrite the webhooks. Oh, is the whole thing? Oh, never mind. It's not really rewritten. Oh, yeah, it has been rewritten. Oh, yeah, it's all been rewritten. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Various unresolved references. Snowflake regexes to 15 to 20. Yeah, that's fair. See, it was limited to between 17 and 22 elsewhere in the code, so I don't know why this one was pulled in, unless it's changed everywhere else, but surely that brings in a... That makes it non-uniform? Wait, this one, they removed it again? What? Okay, I don't know what happened there. Apparently that didn't last long. Mirror asset design, assessment save. Use default allowed meshes in, okay. Asset mixin. Activities are no longer nullable. Types of utils. It's mainly just like adding typings and kind of cleaning the thing up a bit. Update LavaLink's repo URL. That's funny. I like that. Predicate typing to accept any. Interesting. Is that the best idea? Oh, okay. Whatever then. The typings and utility. Just a lot of typings and stuff. Typos and like really small changes largely. Activity.buttons. What the? Oh yeah, because that's a really new thing, isn't it? That I haven't worked out how to do, but I've seen someone do it. There's a lot of stuff. Use the flags with AC. Add int to discord.color. Okay. I don't know why that wasn't there before actually, but whatever. He's just not missing. He's just missing. Reformat message.py. The whole thing has just been reformatted. Whoa, yeah, I think a lot of it has. Interesting. Client.createDM. This is a new one. I guess, yeah, I suppose that would normally be done in bot, but yeah, I suppose so. And I think this is the last page of the changes. I don't think it is actually. There's so many. I saw one about the blurple though, as they changed the colours. Oh, because the whole colour thing is going to have to be like entirely changed, isn't it? For the new colours. And colour, yeah, there's the fuchsia and the yellow. This is the date the rebrand happened apparently. Changed colour blurple to new one. That's pretty funny. Oh no, that is the last one. It just hasn't been updated since the 16th. Okay. Well, now we know what's changed, and we've worked out that it's really not a lot at all that most people use. Some stuff has changed though. So I suppose, well, I'll put it to. I'm gonna go to the toilet, so I'll put it to ads and whatever, and then when we come back, we'll just continue developing. I suppose as normal, really. So yeah, I'll see you in about 2 or 3 minutes. I back. See you later, Zesty. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, now I'm actually going to start doing some more programming again. Now that we've gone through all that. So it'd be a class qt commands.cog, and then I don't think we're going to need any slots, so I'm pretty sure we could just set slots equal to like an empty tuple. And then we're going to need Jack's ID equals Jack's user ID, which is that. Wow, very early one. And then we don't need an on ready for this, but we do need an init. Self, so we need a bot, and that needs to be from tutorial dot bot import bot, and that needs to be a bot like that, and then that needs to be none. And then we do self.bot equals bot, and we do async def, we need to do setup. We'll see if this works the same. I suppose it would. Self.bot equals bots, and then none, and then bot dot add cog qt, and then pass the bot in. Slots are basically, so you're telling it. Oh, we actually gonna need bot in there actually. Ah, yeah. So you're telling the class what you're expected to put in here. So if you don't have this, then it will just create this dict or dictionary with a load of stuff in it. But slots is basically you're manually saying, okay, so this class is going to have a bot attribute. And if I were then to define, let's say self.cute equals true, it would tell me that cute isn't an attribute of this cog because it's not in the slots and therefore wasn't expecting it. So you're basically just like limiting what you can set in the actual in the class. Oh. Yeah. So do commands.cog .listener async def on, I guess, raw reaction add self, and then it'd be payload, and that is a discord dot raw reaction action event. So if payload dot member dot id double equals Jack's ID, then we actually need a qtmo id equals, and then we need to do. Oh, it's not the bleeding server, is it? God. We're gonna eventually upload data, Carberra, branding, historic number 3, because all my emojis are still in the Carberra 3 branding folder, which I really need to do something about. Before I accidentally like delete them all. There you go. So it's in there now. There you go. Aye, why? No. It's saying that you can only it's restricting what you can actually put in. So this, if you put in this, it will error saying that the attribute doesn't exist. Because according to the slots, it doesn't, because it does all its checks via a dictionary that it creates. And if you have it make a dict, it will do all that stuff, and it will have like dynamic support to add extra stuff. So that's why. So be await payload dot message dot add reaction, and then I'll just hope that works, I suppose. Oh, hello. Acquired one miss. Oh. Setup. It's missing. Oh. I'll explain it. Qt extension loaded. Runtime will enable. Oh, something broke. Setup was never awaited. Oh, because it's not an asynchronous thing, is it? There we go. Okay, Jax, if you're still here, could you send a message in the thingamabob, in the server? Payload does now attribute message. I'm pretty sure it does, but I guess we're gonna find out. Yeah, I think pretty sure it was always there. It was the member that was added in 1.3. But payload.message I think was 1.0. Or maybe even earlier than that, I don't know. Might have been part of 0.x. Is Jaxter still around? I'm guessing that Jaxter isn't around at the moment. So, yeah. Let's just reload this up. We'll be able to see that. Oh, really? It wasn't a thing? What's bloody? I thought it was. Oh, maybe I'm getting confused with the message ID then. All right, fine. Right, don't do it yet because it'll break. No, Jax has to be the one to test it. These are the rules. So message equals await self dot bot dot guild dot fetch. Oh, we need the channel. Where's channel ID? That's fine. Self dot bots dot guild dot get channel payload dot channel ID. Oh, this is awful. This is the worst. They really need to add this in V2. I might see if I can actually do that as a PR. Seeing as, why the hell not? Then it'd be dot fetch message payload dot message ID. Jesus Christ, that looks awful. It was genuinely really bad. And then we just use message to add reaction and it should work. I wonder how Black would beautify that. Okay, try now, Jax. It's just been ages since I did anything with the reactions. Huh. I didn't error. It just didn't work. Why didn't that work? Why didn't that work? The payload member definitely returns a full member object, doesn't it? Yeah. Go first in the channel, then the message. Well, yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm pretty sure it's getting the right message. Self.bot, yeah, because it's getting the channel from the guild, which is payload.channel ID. Yeah, it does. I defined it manually. It has it here, self.guild. But for some reason, it just isn't working. I don't know why. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm fetching the message, the ID. It's presumably just... Okay, there's presumably something wrong here. Right, Jax, go again. I'm gonna need your help, Jax, a million. What am I doing? It's it's on message. It's not a real reaction. I'm not supposed to do an on-roll reaction at all. Oh, I'm such a twat. Okay, fine. Ay, 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 ay. Well, if you did send a reaction, it probably would add the QT one as well to the one he added. God, actual damn it, man! Why do I suck at programming? This is why you don't code or stream when you're ill, because it just doesn't work. So if message.author.id or be, I suppose if not message.author.id double equal if message.author.id not equals Jack's ID, then return, else we do await message. That's so much simpler. Oh my god. However, I will actually try. I'll comment that out for now, and I will actually try and get that to work. I'll try and do a PR. Right, that should work now. There we go. I'm a competent programmer. No one can tell me otherwise. Oh my god. Right, okay. No, who got rid of it? Who got rid of the reaction? Was Jack capable of getting rid of reactions or what? I don't know. Wasn't me. I suppose next up, unless anyone has any better ideas, is the help command that Farquaad wanted. Can I do default help? I really don't know what the thing is. What do I even pass in for that? Be commands dot. But wait, the docs are like. I mean, they look better, but they don't function any better. Plus, it's actually less. It's more inconvenient to get to the search now, which is just irritating because it's not at the bottom. So you have to go up to the top and then do that. So attributes activity. Case sensitive. Oh, we probably actually want to turn case sensitive on. Case. Oops. Sensitive equals true. There we go. No, we want that to be false. What are we doing? Or is it case insensitive? Oh, it's case. Because naturally it's double negative. Oh yeah, it's help command. So dynamically set at runtime to remove the help command past none. There we go. So that's fine. And we just need to change it to help command, I think. And to make it look a little bit nicer, we're going to put that above here, and we're also going to take that away. There we go. So now we don't need to do that crap in the in the cog. So import Discord from Discord. From Discord's .ext imports. Import Discord. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Command tab 9. Class help commands.cog and then slots. Don't know if we're even going to need. Oh, we're going to need the bot, aren't we? Def in itself bot, and then we're going to need to just every time from tutorial. Actually, do we need the bot in the? Do we need it here? No, we don't. So I think we could just tell that to go away, really. You don't need it in it at all. I'm pretty sure, I think it will still work. We'll have to see, I suppose. From tutorial.bot import bot. There we go. And I guess we'll see if we need it for this one as well. Self.bot equals bot. And then def setup bots none. Then we have bot.add cog help bot. And we still have the import for it, yeah. So will that actually function? Well, it does. It actually still loads. Jax, can you send one more message just to make sure the QT still works as it should do? Fantastic. Okay, so we don't need the init on that at all. So, you know what, I'm actually going to do a... whoops, no, I need the slot still. I'm going to get rid of this and have like a reminder in the thingama. Where is it? There it is. Reminds in like, I don't know, 3 hours. Adds payload.message. If possible. Okay, cool, right. So we can get rid of that, we can get rid of the terminal. We can, so with the help, async def, I guess we'll do like command help self, and then we take the command which equals a t.optional of, we're not using 310, are we? Although we can actually import. See, if I do from future import division, import annotations, can I use the new ones? That'd be kind of neat. So it'd be a command, it'd be Discord, it'd be commands.command or none. It's gonna let me do it. If I get rid of that, so, oh my god, the world has been saved. That's sick. I like that. Yeah, that's so much better, because otherwise it would be async def commands help self cmd, and it'd be t.optional, or like say like if you just did it like this, it'd be typing.optional. And then commands.command. Look how ugly that is, man. Just look at that. Look how much better that is. Yeah, the new 3.10 annotations are hella pog. Wait, so have they been around since in the future? So have they been around for that long? They've been around since 3.7. Really? That's annoying. That's very annoying indeed. Oh well. It's fine. Because that is so much nicer. So we do... How do we do a help command? This is a very good question. Carberra help me. No, it's not Carberra I need actually. It's... You know what? We're going to load up the one from the old series. And we're going to improve it. Because the one that I had in the old series, while works, is not great. So this syntax function, entirely useless. Don't need it. Welcome Taraxia to the stream. Hope you did okay. At some point, yeah, when it's out of alpha, we think it's very, very early alpha right now. Because not a whole lot in the front end has changed. So pretty much everything I'm doing right now is all version 1 stuff. But yeah, we're just having a look to see what's new. We had a look at the GitHub to see all the commits that have happened. There have been some stuff that's happened, mainly just like efficiency and typing upgrades and stuff. But yeah, hopefully at some point... I don't know if I want to do this right now because I don't know if the menus is going to be in there. If it's going to be in part of the standard library. Is it there currently? No. Well, it's not saying it's not. Is it in there currently? Discord, ext, commands. No, it's not. think it's just getting confused at the moment. Okay, yeah, that's weird. That's weird how it's not showing. Perhaps because it's unused. But normally, that's weird how it's not showing me an error there. But whatever. So we've still got to do our pip install Discord. Oh, how the hell do you even install this? I don't even remember. Discord.ext.menus. No, I wanted to search all of GitHub, please. Cause hell if I know how to do it. Okay, so you could just do it with that. Presuming 30 commits. Last one, the 1st of April. This has not been. What version is this? Does it know what version it is? It is. It's still 1.0a. But this uses format strings. Look. How odd. Very interesting. This kind of needs to be rewritten, honestly. But I suppose we'll use it for now. So the install is still this stupid, like this. Let's just copy it. Come on, there we go. And then, wow. I did not copy as much as I thought I did. Yeah, so install that. There we go. We probably didn't need to clone to straight discord.py, to be brutally honest, but whatever. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah, 1.0.a30. Oh, I guess this is maybe like the revision number. I suppose. Interesting. So now we can do menus, and it shouldn't, in theory, complain at us. So if we do, so we have our help menu. Okay, so we actually need the help menu here. Help menu, menus.list page source. And then we have an init in here. Oh, we're going to need slots as well, aren't we? I don't know what's going to go in those slots though. We pass in the context of data, and then we make self.ctx equals context, and then we super init the rest. Data, and then per page equals 3. I suppose just leave it. So we want ctx here. And then we want, so we have our def, oh, it would be async def write page. Actually, we are subclasses, so maybe we can fix that issue with the broken stuff. But I guess until the help comes, I'm gonna have to wait until it gets, well, hopefully by the time 0.0 properly comes out, or sorry, 2.0 properly comes out, then this will be implemented, so I don't have to worry about that. In theory. If it's not out, that's going to be very annoying. Okay, so we don't need to do the remove command. Then we have a command help. This actually needs a name equals help, like that. And then we need like a brief shows this message. I suppose that'll work. Why? Or you could do like ctx.help, and the brief should, in theory, be the first line of that. I don't know. But yeah, we want to do if cmd and then this one this one did it as a string. Look, this one did it as a string. Because the commands.command, the converter doesn't exist. Help is yeah, but I'm in the docs. It always said that brief was the first line of help. So we're gonna see if that's the case. But when I tried it before, it was just none all the time. So I don't know what is going on here. Oh yeah, because we need to do this. We need to do like a converters. Is this the only place we're gonna need? I think this might be. Command converter. Commands.convert. I think that's right anyway. And then you do async def convert, and then be commands. That'll be a string. And does that need anything else? I honestly don't know. And that will return a commands.command. Oh, I haven't been doing bloody type hints. No. I have no idea what this data is actually. You might need to look that up. Because I have no clue what that's supposed to be. Does it know? It's just seeing it as an any at the moment, but does it see this as an any? If I get rid of this? It does. So we need to find out what in the name? Oh, okay. Can I get the super? There we go. Lower list page source. Oh, because we're passing entries. So do we know what that is? I think that is a. I could probably look it up. I think that's a list. Let's see for sure. It is a list. Okay. That works. So it should be able to do a list of commands.command then, I think. There we go. No, I don't want to do that. It's gonna sound rubbish when I'm ill. Okay, so that's sorted. This menu. What is the menu? I'm presuming the menu is self-menu. What is that actually? I don't know. This is why you don't do things ever. So this is obviously a list of something. I don't know, probably strings. And I really don't. Let's have a look. How is fields used? Oh, it's literally just a series of fields. So I think it's a dict. I don't know actually. Oh, because it's doing a format page. So the entries is a list of commands.command, and then the menu. I really don't know what the menu is. Menu.current page. Welcome Farquad. Or back to Zoom anyway. It's a fields. It must be. Oh, it's a list. It's a list of tuples. Interesting. So it's a list of tuples of, I think, yes, string and string, I'm pretty sure. Oh, look at that. Default help command. Yeah, but doesn't this do... This doesn't do embeds, does it? Or does it? Oh, help you. Inherits from help command. Create one yourself. Yeah, it does it. It's... Yeah, but if we're just going to create one ourselves, then... Might as well just use some other pattern. Unless we could just get help command in here. What does this take? It takes a clean prefix. It's probably better to subclass the direct help command. I would suggest... It's difficult to tell. Here's an example. Yeah, that'd be useful. So... Fancy help. Embedded help command, yeah. Jesus, build embeds. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. 400 lines long. What do you mean this is simpler? It's not any easy. It's not easy or cleaner. This is a mess. Alright, see you later, Cider. Son, leave me alone. What in my life right now? I suppose... I really don't know if it's even bloody worth it. So what does it actually use out of these? Because I'm pretty sure it just... Oh, it's super inits, so it gets the help command. Alright, we'll try some of the help command then. We'll just rename this to help 2 and then we will just comment this out. And then we'll close the venv because we don't want that open anymore. And then we'll do a new help. And we'll import Discord from discord.ext, import commands from tutorial.bot, import bot class help commands.cog slots equals we'll empty tuple for now because I don't want to put it in. Actually, we're probably going to want a bot in there. Init self bolt, and then we want the bot, and that returns none, and then we want to pass. Then we want to do self.bot equals bot while we're here, and then we will do setup bots bot returns nothing. Bot .cog, there we go. Got there in the end. Qualified name. Yeah, that's what I plan to. That's what Carberra and Solaris does. So yeah. So okay. So we're gonna have our custom help commands, and then we're gonna do commands.help commands, and then yeah, we're gonna want all sorts of stuff. So def inits. So I think we're gonna want a slots of color or American color. Grrr. Well, the example you gave me uses the help command, so the default one isn't embedded, so I feel as though it'd be easier to just add the functionality on. Help, and then well, actually this, no, we don't need this crap, because we could just pass in the options as they come. And use quargs, not options. Don't know what idiot ever uses options, but super init quargs. Slots command when? What do you mean? Well, that'd do. Shorten this text to fit into the width. I think we need to do that right. Let's split to max length. Don't we think we need to do that? Build embeds. So is this like... What is this? Oh my goodness. It's like, God. There's no real point looking at the default one because it doesn't use embeds, does it? That's the whole point. There's a lot of util methods. Yeah, I can see that. But I'm gonna look for a better example. The one you sent me is awful. So command would be help commands, or just search all of GitHub for commands to help commands. Great, that's the only example. Fantastic. There's a lot to go on in it. But it's just like an append. Red Parrot. Isn't Red Parrot one of the... Do we even need to, like, can't we just, hang on, is there a way to just like install this straight up? There is. Do we even need to do like our own? You know what, what we're going to do is we're going to install this fancy help and we're going to see what it does. No, we don't want this Python-m. We're actually going to see what the hell it does. And then we might have a better idea of whether or not we even want to like try and build our own. So get rid of that. And then do the thing, which is to okay, so we do it here. So and then we import fancy help in here, and then we do help command equals fancy help dot embedded help command, and then screw the color because you don't need it. It automatically sets one. No. Cogname help already loaded. Oh, because it loads it twice, doesn't it? There you go. And then if we use it, we will get I suppose we don't have any commands, do we? Alright. Let's put the help on hold for now and actually do some commands before we bother with that. That would probably be a good idea. So if we do meta.py, we do some meta stuff. I don't know why, but that literally just occurred to me that doing a help in that order was probably not a good idea. So from discord.ext imports commands, and then class meta commands.cog, slots equals, are we going to need the bot? I don't know. We'll have a C. Def init self bots, but we need to re-import it, don't we? From tutorial dot, you'd think, god damn it, you think tab 9 will know what I want to do by now, wouldn't you? Self dot bot equals bot. And then we'll do the setup. So def setup bots bot none, and then we do what was it? Bot dot add. I always forget that bit for some reason. Meta and pass in the bot. So now we have a command. So commands.command name equals ping, and an async def command ping self ctx commands.context, and that's it. That doesn't return anything. And then we do pretty much just await ctx.send pong. Latency is self.bot. You could use ctx.bot.latency. I might kind of try and do that as much as possible, and then that'd be times 1,000, and then format milliseconds. And the ping will probably be not great, honestly, but there we go. It just took a while to connect. What the hell was that about? There we go. Oh yeah, we need to .f. 106 milliseconds. It'd be interesting to see. Did I know when I was doing the ping about that formatting? I did. Fair enough. I did the response time before as well. I don't know if I'm going to bother doing that. It seems just a bit... This doesn't seem necessary. So what have we got in here? We've got the... What the hell is this? Oh! Meta was handling the present. Okay, interesting. So this is bot stats. So that's using the PSU tool. And that's a shutdown command. So we'll do that now real quick. Or shall we have like an admin cog? I think that might be better. Admin.py. And then import Discord. From discord.ext. I'm having to do this so much. And then class admin commands.cog. Def. Are we even going to need it? I really doubt it. Actually, I just realised in the meta we're going to need to get rid of this because I don't think we need that. Oh, we might do. I don't know. We'll see. Def setup bots. Oh, for God's sake, we're going to need the import though. From tutorial.bot import bot. Oh, why did I do that with capital? That doesn't return anything. And then we do bot.add cog admin, and then just like that. Okay. So commands.command name equals, oh, we're going to need slots, and that's probably going to be none again. I do wonder how much memory that would end up saving in the long run. Shut down. Async def. Come on, shut down self. CTX commands.context. And then it would be commands.isOwner. Then oh, that means we're gonna have to do error handling. Oh, I haven't done that yet, have I? Oh no. So it'd be So pretty sure it's self.bot.close. You could just call that it would be await ctx.send shutting down. Actually, if we do version up there, shutting down of tutorial, shutting down what is it? Oh, it'd be version, wouldn't it? It's not an F string. That just kind of sucks. So shutting down the tutorial. Yeah. And then self.bot.close, and that should work. No. Cannot import version. Oh yeah, because it's from the wrong import. From tutorial import version. Oh, why is that bracket there? There you go. And admin is no attribute bot. Oh yeah, because it's CTX. We can use ctx.bot here. You have a shutdown. There we go. Bot disconnected and it's shutting it down. Cool. Apparently we're not even going to need an import of Discord here. Which is kind of funny. I guess we'll leave it there anyway, potentially for now. So that's our admin stuff done. We do need to go back and do some error handling. Which is irritating because there's so much of it, but whatever. So that can go, that can go, that can go, that can go. I don't need any of that anymore. And then open that in a new tab, open that in a new tab. Oh shit, what I'm doing. That goes there, and then we do. So I might try and make this like a cog if I can, or some sort of extension. Alright, I see it a bit far. Because what you could do is you could just have it in here. It's like an error thing. And then, because we're not going to need, we are actually going to need from Discord DXT import commands. But we're not going to need the thing. Hey Anna, how you doing? It's been a long time since I've seen you in this stream. You know how in October you managed to catch like a bug during a pandemic? I've done the same thing. It's not as bad as you had it, but genuinely managed to catch something. Now I spilled all over myself. God damn it. It's going well. So error. And then this isn't a cog, so we don't need that. And then do we even need to... I don't know if we need the thing. And then def setup. Is it going to need to be attached to the bot? I'm not sure. But oh yeah, we're going to need the bot in there. From tutorial.bot import bot. And then we're going to need the boat. Okay, sure, yeah, we'll do. I mean, thankfully it's not too bad. It's mainly just like been a runny nose and a stuffy head. I don't have the stuffy head at the moment. But that's why the webcam and stuff isn't on. Otherwise you'd be able to see my hideously awful face. How's work going, by the way? Welcome Dr. Camille to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So we could do, what we can probably is do bot dot error handler equals, yeah, and then we just have like the error handler in here. Yeah, look at that, I'm being sneaky here. And if we go back into the bot, And then we have our error handler. Self.error handler equals none for now, just because we're going to be setting it up with the cog loads. Not the terminal. Why did I go there? I don't need that. It's in here. This would be it'd be like on error and an on command error. Yeah. Although I kind of wonder if a cog can just handle this without being attached to the bot. Oh yeah, you had the extra shift, didn't you? I just forgot. I was talking about uni work, but I completely forgot you were actually at work today. That's good. It's good to you enjoyed yourself. I do, because on. Let me have a look. Because on cog ready. Oh, sorry, on cog error, I only do for cogs, I think. Client and then the bot and then it's Discord.on error just straight up. Client event. I guess that's just if you're not doing it in the bot. Yeah, so it needs to be in the bot. Oh, that's annoying. Because you have the on. I think you have the on cog error or something. Or not. Cog on error? What the hell is it? Hang on. Is it even still part of it? Group error, oh, goodness. Oh yeah, cog. Oh, it's just cog command error. I see. Yeah, so we're going to need this error handler situation. I need to do on. I guess we just do it on here. Async def on error. Self, and then the implementation for the on error is rough. Like really rough. Unfortunately. Because it's not like a consistent thing at all. So it'd be a lot easier if it just passed in like nuns where it didn't need it to like do the thing. But it's just irritating. So it's the event method. So I think it's like error and then args and then quags or something like that. Let me have a look. It is. What was I like to do? Because that's not the exception, unfortunately. So yeah, if equals on command error, then awaits args 0 dot send something went wrong, and then if we try, we can't. I kind of want to super it. Can I get like a super dot on error? Actually, I can probably just look in the code. Then, I can do a search on error. That should find it in a Discord.py as well. Open in the editor. Okay. Can I get like match whole word? What about def on error? There we go. Event methods, args and quags, because it raises something. Oh no, it does this. Traceback, it prints the exception. Does it always do that? Yeah, it just prints it. I see. So I guess we need to just do that then. Import whoops, trace back, and instead of this on error, do traceback dot print print exe, and that should just print it out, presumably. That should work. I guess we'll have to find out. So yeah, if it's on a command error, I suppose if it's on a command error, then we could just give it to. Whoa, hello. Thank you, Tizzy Maddock, for the follow. Do appreciate it. Hope you're doing okay. Command. No, it's context. And the exception is just any random exception, I'm pretty sure. So this error, apparently it's an event method. So it's like, I even know what type of annotation you'd use for that. I really don't know, actually. Can I do like a... Oh, actually, it's probably a string. Because it's saying on command error here. So yeah, on command error, I suppose what we really should do is we should do a await self dot error handler dot handle error, and then yeah. Actually, it doesn't matter. Screw it. Just have that in there because it's so short, and then in here have our command error self context commands dot context, and then exception just anything. I'm pretty sure it can just up anything. I don't know if it's limited necessarily to Discord exception. I don't know. Oh, that's not what we want. In here, so we just do await self dot error handler dot command error, and then pass those two in. And that's now, but that clears up this file a bit, and it's all just in here. So if is instance exe commands dot command not found, then we just pass. We don't care about it, or I guess we return. It's probably a better thing to do. And then if do we want to do custom errors? I have no idea. I guess I'll come back to it. If is instance exec, what we'll do is I'll probably just try and I don't know, should we just copy paste all this crap? There's like, this is the Carberra one, so there's like a lot here. There's like a lot here. I might just do some like simple ones, honestly. So like really basic ones, and then like come back maybe in a future video and talk about them in more detail. Return await ctx.send one or more required arguments. One or more required arguments are missing. If instance bad argument, return await ctx dot send one or more arguments are invalid. If this is what we could do, it doesn't. Oh yeah, got to do the same here. Isn't there like a message or something? I'm pretty sure that's like a thing, but I don't know if it's a thing for all of them, so I guess I'm just going to try it out. Too many arguments. We don't actually need that, because that's not handled by default, so who cares? I guess we'll do if instance. Yeah, commands stop missing permissions. Then do this. You are missing some required permissions. And I guess just do the same thing here for bot missing permissions. I decided this bot is going to reference itself in first person because I can't be asked to do it otherwise. So is there anything else? Oh, you probably want not owner as well. Not owner. You are not you're not my owner. Why not? And we'll do the cooldown stuff later. There's so many other areas to do, but I won't bother doing them for now. So let's run that and I'll see if it actually loads. It does. To be honest, I don't think there's actually like an error that a command that can error at the moment. So we do. No, probably the fun one is probably the easiest way to do that. Wow, GitHub is going slow. What the hell? That was crazy. Okay, go away. And then we want a fun.py. Fun. And then we'll do like a dice because that's really quite nice to do. And then dice, I guess we'll just do that. It was a string. Or is it an optional string? I don't know if I made it optional in the thing. Data, no, not data. What am I doing? Be lib, cogs, fun, and then okay, yeah. Oh, it was just a string before, so I was expecting something. That's fine. So so I guess we just do like a split. Because there's no measures. I know the bad argument does. I just don't know about the rest of them. I don't know how many of them actually do. So the number of value equals int term for. So wait, what am I? Oh yeah, because I've got to do. Actually, have to convert them into integers. For term in dice dot split d. And yeah, that's gonna complain if I don't put that in a bracket. So there wouldn't be any point in putting a bit on it. So if the number is greater than 25, return await ctx.send. You can only. I can only roll up to 25 dice at a time. There you go. Otherwise, we do. Oh yeah, we do like a we do import random, don't we? Oops. And then we do roles equals. Oh, here we need a list. Random dot rand int. One and then p value. Oh yeah. It'd be be number and then I guess like max roll or something. Or highest, there we go. We'll call it highest. Highest for I in range. Yeah, dice. And then await CTX dot send. And then we plus that. Whoops. Needs to be an F string as well. Some rolls. And then we dot join string R for R in rolls. And then hope that's fine with that. Oh. Okay. So let's first test that the thing actually works. So dice 1d6. Okay, maybe not. Dice 2d6. What the hell? Did it not load? It did load. That also doesn't need to be there. Why isn't that working? That's the right prefix, isn't it? Yeah, it's the correct prefix. It's like, I'm going to add an alias while I'm thinking about it. Roll. Why isn't that? I'm presuming it's erroring. Oh, I think I know what's going on. It's probably erroring, but it's not. We got to raise it. We have to re-raise the error and see what's going wrong. 1d6. Oh, I think it's just about. Okay, connected. There we go. String cannot be interpreted as an integer. You what? But it's not an integer? Oh wait, random's highest. Oh, yeah, it's number. Yeah, that's my bad. Dice 1d6. Hey, 5 equals 5. Dice 3d10. Okay. So dice. Missing required argument is no attribute message. But the bad argument actually does. By also things. Yeah, so missing required argument does not have it. Bad argument does. And we'll attach that to the end. I suppose actually, wait, what did it would have put in it first? Would it have done? Oh yeah, it would have been. Oh no, never mind. Would have printed it somewhere. Oh no, where did it print it? It didn't say it wasn't a thing. I guess we'll just see what it prints out. Exec.message. And then missing permissions as well. I'm admin, so I can't really test that, unfortunately. I genuinely cannot test the rest of them. Well, now it's just gone weird. Value error. It should be bad argument. Oh. Oh, did it take... Oh. It's not bad argument. Okay. Well, if we just did this for now. And then... as like a test. Because now it will fire a bad argument. Running the bot. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. There we go. There we go. Valid argument is no attribute message. I thought it did. Well, apparently not. It normally does. Okay, I'm sure. Let's see. Print dir exception. Maybe it's not called message. Maybe it's called something else. Because I'm sure it does. Because it does actually do a thing. Args with traceback. Apparently not. Unless it's maybe cause. Oh, now it's not liking that. Oh yeah, because I didn't put a dot. It's fine with that. Oh, for God's sake. Okay, it's clearly another exception. So yeah, this is just not happening. That's annoying. Oh, we've got 20 minutes left. I guess we'll do one more command. And we'll probably get off. So we have like a say there. Your neck hurts. Why does it hurt? Name equals hello. Aliases equals hi and hey. That's extremely unfortunate. I don't know what you expect me to do about that, but I hope you get better soon. See, now we're both like really rough. Oh wait, CTX. Oh, hello. What in the name? CTX.send. CTX.author.mention. Random.choice. You know, we're gonna just do it like this. Greeting equals random.choice. Is there like a list of greetings I can get? I kind of wanted like a Wikipedia article that just had all of them. I don't know. We'll just have like a hey. We'll start with a hello and then hi and then hey and then heya, I guess, and that'll do. We also had higher in there. Sure, we'll do that. Then we have random.choice greetings. Oh yeah. Oh no, yeah, we just want greeting then, don't we? Like that. There we go. And if we run that, whoopsie daisies. We'll get a. There we go. Oh, it doesn't send a message if you put it in. Oh, that's actually kind of a problem. Await self dot bot dot await self dot standard out dot send. So we actually want that outside of the admin and inside of the we want that out of here. We want that in here. Well, oh god, holy mother! Right, we're fine. Self dot standard out. Actually, Anna, if you're still here, when do you finish work tomorrow, by the way? And that should work fine now. Okay, cool. There we go. It says the mesh is over. Fantastic. Right. So we now have our admin. Doesn't really need this. I guess we could just get rid of it. We have our error handler that actually does work. Surprise, surprise! It legitimately does. We have our meta. Do we need... Well, we don't need this slots either, so we can get rid of this. We have part of a meta anyway. And then we have a fun. Or part of a fun. So I guess... Yeah. I guess we'll just keep going at this at another time. Maybe when it's a bit more updated. I'll keep looking at the commits. And see kind of when they start updating stuff, but I think coming back to this relatively soon is going to just be like a bit of a useless exercise because it doesn't seem like much has changed. So now that I've installed library, I can get rid of this. Yeah, don't need that. But yeah, I think I'm going to end the stream here. Thanks to everyone that stopped by, and let's see if there's anyone to raid. I know I'm too early for Aiden, but I can't really be pissed. Oh, my friend's actually live. We'll go raid him. It's great. So yeah, I will see you all. I'll see you all later. So raids. What is it? Raid 117. Cool. Alright, see you later. Bye.